Welcome to CelebXplore Hub, where we dive into the luxurious world of Taylor Swift as she gears up for her Eras tour in Australia. Today, we're taking you inside the pop superstar's lavish Melbourne hotel, where she's shelling out big bucks for the ultimate VIP experience. Touching down in Australia on her private jet, Taylor Swift has chosen the opulent Crown Towers Hotel for her Melbourne stay. Reportedly spending a staggering $16,300 a night, Swift has secured the exclusive presidential villa on the 43rd floor, just a 10-minute ride from the Melbourne cricket ground. This 1,090-square-meter haven boasts 2 bedrooms, a spacious dining room, and a living area with panoramic city views. Swift enjoys the privilege of a private express elevator, ensuring discreet entrances and exits with her security team. A 24-hour butler service caters to her every need, from pre-show fuel to last-minute errands or a celebratory nightcap. Swift's master bedroom is a relaxation haven, featuring a deluxe king-sized bed and a spa bath. The room's walk-in closet provides ample space for organizing her wardrobe, whether it's adorned stage costumes or her favorite Free People floral dress. The neighboring guest bedroom offers 2 queen beds and an en-suite bathroom for her guests. After a 12-hour flight from Honolulu to Melbourne, Swift's private jet became the most tracked flight globally, with 1,500 eager fans following its Pacific trek. Despite missing Valentine's Day due to her travels, Swift had celebrated with her boyfriend Travis Kelce in Los Angeles after his NFL Super Bowl win. As Swift prepares to perform in front of 85,000 fans at the Melbourne cricket ground, she kicks off her 7 sold-out shows in Australia. The Eras Tour, a retrospective of her nearly 20-year career, began in the US last March and extends through December 2024, with upcoming legs in Europe, the UK, and Canada. That concludes our exclusive look into Taylor Swift's Melbourne escapade. What do you think of her extravagant hotel choice? Share your thoughts in the comments below, give us a thumbs up if you're excited about the Eras Tour, and stay tuned for more celebrity explorations on CelebXplore Hub.